Hi all, I'm going to showcase how to create Burj Khalifa chart in Tableau. And as you can see, this particular video is dedicated to Burj Khalifa, Dubai. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take region and you can use sales here, sales and profit. As you know, in general, we do have dual axis. So what we can do is, or you can convert into bar chart first and let's swap, and you can make use of dual axis. Just create a dual axis. So whenever we are going to work with dual axis, the important point is we have to go for synchronize axis. Okay. So then if you want, you can remove the axis. No need to go like remove in the sense you can unselect the header, and you can also do the same, or just make use of left side, right? When you go back, if you want to remove both the axis at a time, just right click on the left side axis and unselect the header. And make use of bar chart. Let's go back to all marks card, make use of bar, and we do have bars correct here. So we are getting a bar chart here. So whenever we are going to work with bar within a bar chart, as you know, right? So you can bring this profit to right hand side, and you can drag and drop measure names into size to showcase bar within a bar graph. So what I'm going to do is, so let's bring this back, like the profit in the back side and sales on top of profit. Okay, as if you want to check on that, like just make use of highlight. Okay, highlighter. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to create something like Burj Khalifa chart similar to that, you should have a negative sales. So let's make use of negative sales. Just duplicate and right click, edit this particular measure, and you can use of negative sales measure. Click apply, click OK. And now you have to drag and drop. Instead of drag and drop measure names into size, just drag and drop measure values into size. Okay. So by default, what is happening here is like with this marks card, let's say in profit, let's remove this measure values, and you can see we have negative sales down the level, right? So you can bring to top. Okay. So now we can see we have sales, quantity, profit, discount. It's kind of an order where based on the values, you can showcase, you can make use of, make sure this particular order follows. Okay. And you can also check the size here. So based on the negative values, you can showcase this. Let's say if you feel like, if you want to bring this down, the discount down, you can bring this particular discount down. So it depends, like if you want to, if you want to bring profit down the level, yes, I think this looks better. So this is kind of a Burj Khalifa chart where we can make use of measure values into size to showcase a similar kind of a chart. Okay. So the first thing, the important thing is like we have to make sure that we have to create a negative sales, and you have to go for dual axis and synchronize, use synchronize axis. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.